Once you have paired your Garmin watch with a smartphone, you may check the weather information of your current location. If the weather information does not show on the watch, you may try the following steps to solve this problem. Reconnect Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth on your phone and reconnect it again. Remove device. Remove the device on Garmin Connect mobile app. Pair device. Pair the device again. iOS. Select Privacy on your phone. Enter location services. Make sure that location service is on. Allow location access on weather and connect. Turn on location. Go to Settings and enter Apps. Allow location access on weather and connect. By following all these steps, your watch will show the weather information of your current location when it receives satellite signals.